Here's a BMW E46 M3, which we carried out a rear axle carrier panel repair and reinforcement process 2 years ago in sort of summer 2016. Admittedly, this car has only done just over 7,000 miles in that time, but it is 7,000 miles hard track use in all types of weathers. He doesn't care, this customer, about necessarily the looks of the car underneath. You see, it's a track orientated car. We've got the Öhlins road and track. And you see how dirty they are, only in 7,000 miles. Powerflex black everywhere, the Ibec camber arms, and it's just in for a few more pieces now. This was painted in Oxford green, which is body colour. This car is on our YouTube channel. You'll see that there's an Oxford green car with black seats inside, and it's just still in amazing condition. What we wanted to quickly show is how well it's stayed after those 2 years and 7,500 miles hard use in all weathers, and how it's easy it is to clean this car if it was yours, or if you have one of our repairs. You just use something like quick detailer and a microfiber cloth. You can either spray on the car or on the microfiber, and then just get in there, give it a quick clean. You can be as gentle, as hard as you want. This is our new style finish that was first introduced in summer 2016. This was one of the first cars actually that had that, so it's very, very durable. I haven't even sprayed anything on there yet, but already it's coming off quite well. And it just does what it says on the tin, really. It's a really nice strong seam sealer, a great top coat colouring. They're all matte finishes. We don't do any gloss finishing anymore, but that's perfectly fine for under the vehicle. And now it's almost back to what it looked like when it was done, which is body colour paint. None of the seam sealers coming off, even with me cleaning it like that. You still see the weld lines really clear, and there's not a single piece of seam sealer missing or paint under there. And because we paint the entire cars from the rear panel all the way up to the fuel tank and rear seat area, and sometimes the arches, if the customer specified the arch paint, you could do that to your car quite regularly. I know you'd struggle with access, but what we're trying to show here is how durable our paint finishes systems are, and how much time and effort we go to and spend doing these repairs. That's why we have the cars for 2 weeks, because it's not just structural work. We want to make sure that longevity, the paint is going to be seriously well adhered to the body, and you never want to look under the car and see any rust. So that is just a quick example of how well our paint finishes are on our E46 rear axle carrier panel repair, subframe repair and reinforcement processes.